I'm gonna make one of my most popular, if not the most popular recipe I made on my Food Network show called Blistered Tomatoes in the Snow. It's easy. It's also a fantastic gluten-free recipe if anybody has an issue with that. But if you don't care about that, don't let that dissuade you. It actually is still quite appetizing. So funny. I feel kind of bad. I made my fiance go and buy me tomatoes yesterday, and then I realized I already had tomatoes. But I feel like if he comes home and he's like, "Why did I buy them?" Even though I really should use these because they're older. He's not gonna know. I'll put them in a different container. Okay, I'm gonna use these. Yeah, I want more of it. It didn't do the sizzle. Very sad, not good sizzle. Keep going until we can get a real sizzle. Still don't have the sizzle. By the way, if the stock market comes back, I'm getting a neck job. I don't know about you, but I lost $11,000 so much with the stock downturn. But if it comes back, I need the facelift, I need the neck lift dividend. All right, I'm hearing some sizzle. Let's try it again. Excuse yourself when you make a sound like that. One out so you can kind of see where we're going here. Can you see the blistering? The blister that's happening? So that's what. Oh! Moisture and oil! Ah. We want to get them nice and blistered. Feta cheese, but there's a process to make it happen. I'm going to put chicken broth, feta. The feta is going to melt. I'm going to add dried oregano so it becomes kind of this white sauce, as it were. And you know, feta has that real salty taste. The cherry tomatoes are really sweet, so the sweet and the salt is fantastic. I'm going to put dried oregano in it, and it smells like a pizza at the end. And that's why it's so great too. If you have anybody who is gluten-free and maybe they're missing pizza, make them this. They're going to love it. Okay, maybe they're just now we're going to do feta. Now, you could have Bulgarian feta. You could have Greek feta. This is Greek feta. My most favorite is French feta because it's softer and it melts better. But you usually have to go to kind of a fancy market for that. Not always available. This was not from a fancy market. This is where the snow is going to start. About 4 ounces. So it's about half the package of the feta. So it's kind of easy to remember. It's like a package of cherry tomatoes, half a package of feta cheese. The key is that we really need the feta to melt. Okay, now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. That's a finished fancy Food Network. Pick apart the oregano. You're going to lose your, oh God, I wish you could smell this. You put the dried oregano in, and it smells so good. Oof. This is when it's like I'm eating a pizza. So that's it. It's really simple. My philosophy of cooking is, less ingredients. I want food to look like food. I'm never gonna make something real fancy with a squeeze bottle. This is ready to go. It's a fantastic side dish, or if you're a vegetarian, it could be a main course. For us, it's usually a side dish. Enjoy this simple and flavorful dish. And subscribe.